There are many buildings in Newtown which could be said to be of historic and architectural interest. Like, for instance, the row of workers' cottages at the Mount, which dates back to Tudor times. Or the little cottage in Park Street, whose roof was risen to accommodate wool weaving in the 18th century. These two and several others will be submitted by the local WI as possible subjects for restoration during European Architectural Heritage Year. But the star entry in the WI's list is a communal loo. Mrs. Donna Rees is in charge of the project for Llanllwchhair and WI. Mrs. Rees, why did you choose this communal loo as one of your entries?
Well, I think it's very unique. I have never heard of a six-seater loo before.
But is this the sort of thing that European Architectural Heritage Year are looking for? Won't they be expecting you to turn up with thatched cottages or things like that?
I don't think they bargained on us finding anything like this. They didn't have this at the backs of their minds. But it is so unique, I'm sure it is worth preserving.
It's at the 17th century Lower Gwestyd farm. But the loo has none of the timbered splendour of the farmhouse. As would be expected, it's hidden away at the bottom of the garden. It's quite a remarkable building, thought to date back to 1680. There are 3 seats side by side, and behind a central wall are another 3 seats. There's plenty of ventilation provided by 2 oval holes in the walls, and it's thought the communal loo was used by workers at the farm. One partner who runs the farm now is David Jarman. Mr. Jarman, what's it feel like to have your loo all of a sudden become a star attraction like this?
Well, it's seems very funny because it's been here all these years and nobody's given it a second look or done anything about it before.
In fact, it's not been idle all these years, has it? It has been used relatively recently.
Well, yes, it was used up till 10 years ago when we put the toilets in the house on a sewerage system.
Do you think that the old loo does now stand a chance of being preserved for posterity?
Well, it isn't up to me, but if the Montgomeryshire branch of the Women's Institute think it's worth preserving, well, it can be preserved by all means.
Well, there it is. As Mr. Jarman says, it is up to the WI now to decide whether this place should be preserved as part of European Architectural Heritage Year. If it does, I suppose you could say that the local branch of the WI are sitting pretty.